Hi guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 21 problem, Dungeon Game. Please like the video and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update. Here's the problem statement. The demon had captured the princess and imprisoned her in the bottom right corner of a dungeon. The dungeon consists of n cross n rooms laid out in a 2D grid. The knight initially positioned at top left room and must fight his way through the dungeon to rescue the princess. Some of the rooms are guarded by the demons, so the knight loses health upon entering these rooms, which is depicted by the negative integers. Other rooms are either empty, that is 0, or contain magic orbs that increase the knight's health, which is depicted by positive integer. A knight moves only rightward or downward in each step. We need to find the knight's minimum initial health so that he is able to rescue the princess. For the example given, the path with minimum demons is as shown by the arrows. So this will be the path and the minimum health required for the knight initially is 7. Let's see how we calculate it. For now, as we know the path, let's start from the last room and backtrack to the initial point to find the health required. We see that in the last room there are demons that will reduce knight's health by 5. So to maintain the resultant health to 1, he will need at least 6 health. Moving upward, as this room has plus 1 health potion, that will get added to the knight's health. The health needed before entering this room becomes 6 minus 1, which is 5. Again, moving upward, as this room has plus 3 health potions, we need 5 minus 3, which is 2 health of the knight before he enters this room. Backtracing to the left room, this one has demons that will reduce his life by 3. So he will need 3 additional health potions, which makes the health required to be 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now the initial room. Since it has demons that will reduce the health by 2, knight needs 2 additional potions, so the total required health becomes 5 plus 2, which is 7. For our problem, we will use DP and start from the destination moving to the initial position to calculate the health required, similar to what we did here. We will take the DP matrix of size same as the dungeon. At step 1, we will find the minimum health required to enter the last room, where the princess is kept. We can say that if there are demons reducing the health, we will need that many additional health potions, else even one will work. So, if we write it down mathematically, minimum health required to enter this room will be the max of 1 minus value in the dungeon for cell and 1. We are subtracting it from 1 as we know that minimum health required for the knight to rescue princess after fighting the demon is 1. If we substitute all the values in the equation, the health required becomes 6. As the second step, we will fill the last row and column of the DP so that it will guide us to fill the inner values. To fill the cell marked in blue, we will need the value for the minimum health required to enter this room. Here, to go to the next room, knight needs to save 6 health potions. The current room has additional 30 potions. So we can say that to enter this room, knight will only need 1 potion. Because in this room, instead of demons, there is a health, which is greater than the health required to enter the next room. Mathematically, this can be calculated by finding the max of value of next room in DP minus the value of current room in dungeon and 1, which comes out to be 1 as we thought. Similarly, we calculate the value for this room. Now that we have completed the bottom row, we will calculate the values for the last column. We will apply the same logic. The only change is instead of comparing it with the right room, we will compare it with the room below it. As we know, to enter the below room, the knight needs health to be at least 6 and this room has an additional health of 1. The knight can enter this room with health 6 minus 1, which is 5. Mathematically, the same can be calculated by finding the max of the value in DP for the room below it minus the value in dungeon for this room and 1, which comes out to be 5. Similarly, the health required to enter this room becomes 2. Now that we have the values for last row and last column both, we will start calculating it for the inner values. We will move in right to left and bottom to top fashion. For calculating these values, we will first find the movement on which side will have minimum damage to health. Then we will calculate the health required to enter that room. The mathematical formula for finding the minimum damage is simply by finding the minimum of right and down. And the one for finding the health required is same as what we have been doing till now. Starting with this room, as the minimum is 1, the knight would decide to move down. The health required to enter this room will be the max of 1 plus 10 and 1, which is 11. Similarly, we calculate for the other rooms. As we have calculated the minimum health required to enter each room, we return the value for the first room that the knight could enter, which is 7. If we jot it down in a form of algorithm, we will follow these steps. We will initialize our DP matrix. Then we will first calculate the value for the last room. Then we fill the row and column using these formulas that we saw. After that, we start filling the remaining values by first finding the minimum of right and down and then finding the health required to enter the room by using the given equation. At the end, we return the first value in the matrix. The time and space complexity for this algorithm is O of m into n. Here's the code snippet. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment what you think about the video.